Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to block ads in Google Chrome for a smoother, ad-free browsing experience, in just a few simple steps. First, open the Google Chrome browser on your laptop. In the search bar, type Chrome Web Store, then hit Enter. Click on the official Chrome Web Store link from the search results. At the top of the page, click the search bar, type in AdBlocker, and press Enter. Now choose a highly rated AdBlocker extension from the results. On the right side, click Add to Chrome. A pop-up will appear. Click Add Extension to confirm. The extension will now be installed to your browser. Next, click the puzzle icon at the top right of Chrome and pin the AdBlocker extension so it's always visible. To check if it's working, open any website article, then tap the AdBlocker icon. You'll see the number of ads blocked on that page. And that's it.